The objective of this video is to raise awareness for Wheelhouse bridge collisions. The past years more than 120 Wheelhouse bridge collisions are registered. Some of the collisions caused fatalities, others injuries. All of them caused economic consequences. Before a voyage can start, a boatmaster needs to prepare himself and the crew for the coming voyage. The preparation starts with being familiar with the exact dimensions of the barge. Product-specific preparation is important, and a route planning is recommended. On tankers, a demonstrable voyage plan is prescribed. The boatmaster must check the barge's estimated draft, and the height of bridges, to check whether the barge can make the voyage. There are several sources to find the actual height of bridges. The IRIS website provides standardized information of all waterways across Europe. Most ICD's programs provide information for voyage preparation. The WESCA can also be used for bridge heights. However, you will find different bridge heights of the same bridge in different sources. The draft of the barge depends to the water level on the rivers. After choosing a draft with safety margin, the boatmaster can figure out what the actual height of the barge is. Therefore, he can use the barge's height chart, which is prescribed in the Wheelhouse. If different heights are available, through the various sources of information, the lowest bridge height should always be used. The barge example is sailing on the canal. The boatmaster prepared his voyage, and calculate a safety margin to the worst-case scenario with an under-bridge clearance of 6.05 meters. The deck under the Wheelhouse is 90 centimeters lower as the roof of the accommodation. The boatmaster lowered the column under the Wheelhouse all the way down. Thereafter, he lowered the upper part halfway over the bottom part. The boatmaster knows that the height of the Wheelhouse in this position is lower than 5.75 meters. The current position includes a sufficient safety margin. The barge was approaching a bridge on several kilometers distance. The boatman brought a cup of coffee to the boatmaster from the accommodation. The boatmaster pushes the button to raise the upper part of the Wheelhouse. However, the boatman could not enter. Thereafter, the boatmaster pushes another button to raise the column to enable the boatman to walk in. The bridge is far away. The boatmaster prepares the Wheelhouse to be sure of a safe passage. He pushes the button to lower the upper part over the bottom part. Halfway down, he stopped. He forgot to lower the column. He was unaware of his mistake as the upper part was in the same position as before. The boatmaster failed to notice the lowest position indicator in the navigation desk. The light should be activated. The barge approached the bridge very closely. Nevertheless, the boatmaster continued his conversation without noticing the too high position of the Wheelhouse. The Wheelhouse of the barge collided with the bridge. Luckily, the boatman shouted, "Get down!" to the boatmaster.
Get down!
Both crew members did not receive injuries. Lessons learned. Most Wheelhouse bridge collisions were caused by inattention. Be sure and double-check the position of the Wheelhouse every time you pass bridges, where the clearance under the bridge could cause a hazardous situation. Be aware of situations that distract you from routine, such as getting a cup of coffee, having a conversation, or using your mobile phone. Get used to check yourself by checking the Wheelhouse lowest position indicator, and any reliable reference point. General points of interest are: always prepare yourself for passing low bridges with a sufficient safety margin. There are some factors may cause deviations from your expectations. Wind can raise the water level under the bridge. The passing vessel. The passing vessel causes the water level raised after passing. Poor visibility or wrong information are also the causes. Fatigue can be the root cause of inattention. After passing locks, or an overnight stay, check whether the wheelhouse is back in the correct position. Wishing you all a safe voyage. Thank you for your attention.